Hello, this is Best Spy Live Trading. This is our market recap and market outlook video for our last week of September 2025. The S&P 500 has closed at an all-time high last week on Friday at 6,664. The major news that we have coming out for this week is S&P/US Services PMI and Fed Chair Powell's speech on Tuesday, September 23rd, as well as data coming out, initial jobless claims, as well as core PCE data on Thursday and Friday. We have went higher and have left a gap at the FOMC of Wednesday close. Last week on QQQ, we have filled the gap on FOMC day on Wednesday on QQQ and have gapped up again at Wednesday close, and we are now at 599/600. There is a gap at 590. It is important to point out that the daily candles, as well as the MACD, as well as the weekly MACD, is still strongly bullish. However, we are at somewhere that we have never been before in history, which means that the market will move very fast and volatile with news. As the week progresses, we will keep up to date with the changing market environment, have our eyes on the volatility index. The volatility index last week, post FOMC on Wednesday into Thursday, has crushed, and from Thursday into Friday it has been steadily rising, as the environment we are in is something where the traders have never been before, as well as the implied volatility moves for the market is still high. A numerical number that you might want to have in your notes is 661.72 on SPY, which is the top of the Jerome Powell FOMC candle at 2 p.m. spike. Last week on Thursday into Friday, we went from 664 to below 661.72 to test 660.50 and have bounced up above 661.72. If the SPY and the Nasdaq wants to test the gaps below, test the resistance and support of 661.72 before. In other news, all tech stocks around the market are all at all-time highs. Things like Google, Meta, Apple are at all-time highs, except semiconductors like Nvidia, NVTS, and ARM. Going into the week, the Asian Pacific markets are opening higher. The Nikkei 225 is testing the all-time high of last week. Going into the week, we are neutrally biased, being cautious of the days ahead, as we are at all-time highs and we have recovered from pullbacks significantly faster than previously. The most important thing is to not be biased. The ending to last week was a little bit flat. The S&P 500 futures ES has been in a ascending channel higher. We have broken down on Wednesday and have went above 6,670 into Thursday and Friday. Coming into this week, we will see if there will be a slight pullback into the week, or if we will stay high and hold this pressure higher. Like the video, and we will see you at the next live stream.